here we are on Christmas Eve, me and Merlin walking in a flooded field, and Merlin's absolutely loving it. Bloody ball! Fun pup. As you can see, the water has gone right up to the edge of the field from here. Got it then, got it. And look how deep it is. Here. You see, it's halfway at the wellies. Wait, Merlin. Let's just gone past that gate. Hopefully not. Merlin, wait. Oh, shithole. Oh, as you can see, the road flooded there as well. No more. No. Wait. Wait. Get your ball. No, you get it. No more. No more. Go on. Go on. Not on this field. No, Merlin, go on. Not in this field anymore. Oh. I hope we haven't gone past that gate. Big goose, huh? I haven't really been concentrating, but I don't think so because let's hope not. Ah. Come on. Go on. Oh dear. Stop this a minute.